a whole lot of people stopped investing in February and March, the very months when good businesses were available at lovely prices. उन्हीं महीनों में लोगों ने अपने सिप अकाउंट बंद किए डर के मारे. क्यों? शायद they were invested in all those lovely thematic, small cap and all those lovely story based mutual funds जहां उनके पैसे जले. Came across an interesting fun fact when I read the Economic Times yesterday. SIP mutual fund accounts fell by almost 9 lakh SIP accounts in the month of March. This follows another fall which happened in the previous month in February. February में शेयर प्राइस गिरे, कुछ सिप्स लोगों ने एंड किए और मार्च में a number of 9 lakh SIP accounts fell. In fact, the net inflow into mutual funds fell off almost by 30%. It fell below 30,000 crores a month. So a whole lot of people stopped investing in February and March, the very months when good businesses were available at lovely prices. उन्हीं महीनों में लोगों ने अपने सिप अकाउंट बंद किए डर के मारे. क्यों? शायद they were invested in all those lovely thematic, small cap and all those lovely story based mutual funds जहां उनके पैसे जले. So now out of fear they stopped investing. People like us who were sitting on the sidelines watching, we ate up dollops of those funds, of those stocks at lovely prices. उन्होंने जब participate नहीं किया profits में, low prices में, they left the field open for people like us. That's why I say, even in my previous videos, that the ride of the market is really wrenching. बहुत दुखदायक है. जब market गिरता है, you have to bear a lot of anguish. It is not for normal people. जो great risk takers नहीं है, वो सिप कर करके they cannot participate in this market. इसमें जब उचित समय है, you have to gulp down in dollops. That's what people, very few can do. This is not for normal people. Stay away from these markets. Purana Lata Mangeshkar song I remembered, which captured the sorry fate of SIP investors. कि जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए ये SIP investors कि अब हम मरते हैं. खुश रहना मार्केट के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं. दो भाइयों वो सफर कर गए और हम मार्केट के प्यारे खुश रह गए.